Join me as I take on the challenge of trying out some life-changing travel hacks and see if they actually make a difference on my next trip. Traveling can be an incredible experience, but let's face it, it can also be super stressful and expensive. I mean, who hasn't spent hours searching for the perfect flight only to end up overpaying for it? Or struggled to find accommodation that's both affordable and safe? These are just a few of the many challenges we face as travelers. One of the biggest pain points is definitely the cost. Flights, accommodation, food, it all adds up quickly. And then there are the long waits at the airport, the lost luggage, and the stress of planning every little detail. It's enough to make you want to stay home. But what if I told you there are ways to make traveling easier, cheaper, and more enjoyable? Long waits at the airport can be a real drag. You've got your coffee, your book, and your phone, but before you know it, hours have passed and you're still stuck there. And don't even get me started on the stress of planning. Researching destinations, booking flights and hotels, and making sure you've got all the necessary documents. It's a lot to handle. Not to mention the anxiety of trying to find the perfect itinerary. But here's the thing, we've all been there, we've all struggled with these same challenges. And that's why I want to share with you some game-changing travel hacks that I've discovered over the years. From finding cheap flights to packing like a pro, I've got some tips and tricks that will make your next trip a breeze. First up, let's talk about flight apps. There are some amazing tools out there that can help you find the cheapest flights, book at the right time, and even get error fares. I've used apps like Skyscanner and Google Flights to find incredible deals. And when it comes to packing, I've got a simple trick: pack layers. Not only does it save you space in your luggage, but it's also a great way to stay comfortable on the plane. Another hack I love is using local guides to find hidden gems. Instead of following the tourist trail, I like to explore neighborhoods and try local restaurants. It's a great way to experience the authentic culture of a place. And finally, let's talk about accommodation. I've found that booking apartments or hostels through websites like Airbnb or Hostelworld can be a fraction of the cost of hotels. But out of all the travel hacks I've discovered, there's one that stands out to me as a total game changer. It's a simple trick, but it's saved me so much time and money using budget airline aggregators. These websites allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and find the cheapest routes. It's amazing. For example, I was planning a trip to Europe last year and I used one of these aggregators to find a flight from London to Paris for under $50. I mean, that's an incredible deal. And it's not just limited to Europe. You can use these websites to find cheap flights all over the world. The best part is, it's super easy to use. Just enter your route and dates, and the website does the rest. It saved me hours of research time and saved me hundreds of dollars. So there you have it. A few travel hacks that have changed the way I travel forever. From finding cheap flights to packing like a pro, these tips and tricks will make your next trip more enjoyable and cost-effective. If you've got your own travel hacks to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to see more travel tips and content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.